Hello everybody, Ben here from Nova Music Center, and today we are checking out this Oscar Schmidt guitar. I'll read you off the model number, it's kind of long. OG2SMA is the model number. Now this guitar is still sitting in that intermediate beginner range, price-wise and quality-wise, but it is pretty nice quality. The fret ends, that's something I always check. You guys see me do it all the time, but they're actually pretty clean on this. I don't feel like I'm gonna slice my hand up on that. So that's good. It looks really nice. It's got a spalted top and it sounds nice. It's a dreadnought body, so it's got a lot more of that low end richness to it. But I'm not gonna talk too much more about it. I'm gonna go ahead and play through it. It does not have a pickup, it's just straight acoustic, so I've got it mic'd up here so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, let's dive in. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and checking it out today. It means a whole lot to us. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, consider commenting down below. And if you're ever in our area, come check us out. We're in Old Town, Manassas in the state of Virginia. All right, have a good one.